everyone. I've got some cool sound effects on my accordion. So first we have alarm clock. Get up. Next we got creepy noise. Next up, we have school doorbell. Please enter. Next, we got ship horn. There's a ship coming through. Next, we got vehicle backing up. That's all the sounds I have for you guys today.